Breathe in deeply and exhale slowly. Inhale light, exhale tension. Inhale light, exhale tension. You are safe. You are enough. Your emotions are valid. You're allowed to feel. You're allowed to heal. Your sadness is held with love. Your anger is held with love. Your confusion is held with love. You are healing. You are enough. You are healing. You are enough. This breakup does not define you. You are whole. You are worthy. You are enough. This ending is a detour, not your worth. You are whole. You are worthy. You are enough. You're letting go of the past. Inhale freedom and exhale attachment. Inhale freedom. Exhale attachment. You're releasing old pain. You're reclaiming your heart. You are enough. You are reclaiming your heart. You are enough. You are rediscovering yourself. Your space is yours. Your life is yours. You are rebuilding with joy. You are rediscovering with strength. You are enough. You are rebuilding with joy. You are enough. You are supported. You are loved. You are never alone. You are surrounded by warmth. You are supported. You are loved. You are enough. You are supported. You are enough. Every step is a victory. Inhale courage. Exhale doubt. Inhale courage. Exhale doubt. You are moving forward. You are strong. You are enough. You are moving forward. You are enough. Your future is bright. You are thriving. You are radiant. You are creating a new chapter. You are thriving. You are radiant. You are enough. You are creating a new chapter. You are enough. Breathe in one last time and exhale any heaviness. You are strong. You are healing. You are enough. You are strong. You are healing. And you are enough.